guys, and welcome to Universal's Hard Rock Hotel. We are staying in room 5157 and going to give you a quick tour. So as soon as you walk in, you are greeted by the closet. You do have a safe here large enough to stand up a laptop, and it does also come with some additional pillows. You have an ironing board, an iron, and some blankets as well. Coming around here to the right, you have the split bath. You have a very spacious sink with some items there that you can use, but plenty of counter space for you to get yourself ready in the morning. And then moving in here, you do have the bathroom with the shower tub combo, great for families with little ones that need to take baths. You got the toilet, and then you have a second sink here to wash your hands. But got some decent sized storage here up above. And then walking out this way, you have the mini bar. So you have the Keurig machine here. It does come with some Fiji water. That is an extra expense of $8. You got your K-cups there, ice bucket there, and then you do have a small fridge there down at the bottom. And as you come into the bedroom, you are greeted here by two queen-size beds. We have our oldest son with us on this stay, so we will have separate beds as opposed to the king-size bed. One feature I love here is the mirror. It shows you the height of some of the musicians around the world, and it might be a little difficult to see, but you have Shirley Temple here at 4'2", Stevie Nicks at 5'1", Lady Gaga 5'2", Madonna 5'4", Beyonce 5'6", Adele 5'9", Elvis Presley at 6 feet even, Justin Timberlake 6'1", Snoop Dogg 6'4". So just give you a couple of quick highlights of some of the artists on the mirror. So each bed does come with 4 pillows. Does also have some some lights here that you can manage as well. And then you have an alarm clock there, as well as your phone. And then you do have 2 standard plugs there in the middle. It's got a very nice design of the headboard with a nice mirror in there as well as 2 reading lights on the outside of each queen-size bed that someone can utilize to read at night. But you do have a lamp here in the corner, and then seating space here with 2 chairs and a table. And our view is the front lobby. So when cars pull up, this is where they pull up to. So this is the very front of the building, and pretty decent view. Then you have a ton of storage here. This is a great desk space. You do have additional plugs here. You have 2 standard plugs there with a USB there as well, but it's a high top counter space. And I love how they have these menus here as far as a breakdown of what any questions you may have, quick menu for room service, and it's a pretty good looking menu as well. I mean, from linguine to pasta to salmon to breakfast, appetizers. It's open 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. for lunch and dinner, and then breakfast is from 6 a.m. to 11 a.m. each day. And then moving down here, we have our drawer space. So we have 4 drawers here, pretty decent depth to it, so you can stack up some clothes. And again, nice little rock and roll retro vibe there for the handles. And then a decent 40-inch TV here as well. You do have the Honeywell control here for your heating and AC. We currently have it at 72, just dropped it down to 70, and it's pretty comfortable in here. So Thank you so much for checking out the room tour. If you're interested in staying in a room like this or any Universal resort, please reach out to us on Facebook at Paul and Ashley Magic Vacation Planners. And if you are new to the channel, please do not hesitate to subscribe as well. Thank you so much, and we will catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching, and safe travels.